Rise up, Africa. Rise up, African diasporas. And injustice against Captain Ibrahim Traoré. Our land, our leaders, our liberation. We are appealing to all Africans in the diaspora, Canada in particular. Let's unite on this historic day, April 30th, as we rise with one voice, united across borders, and born by one common cry: enough is enough. The injustice against Captain Ibrahim Traoré is not just an attack on one man. It is an attack on Africa's right to self-determination, sovereignty, and dignity. Captain Ibrahim Traoré has stood up for Burkina Faso and Africa. We will not be silent. We are going to stand with him. The protest is a movement. It is about saying to the world, hands off Ibrahim Traoré, hands off Africa. Together, we demand an end to foreign interference in our nations. We are not servants. We are Africa, rich, wise, and rising. And today, we say no more. The time has come to protect what is rightful ours. Hands off Ibrahim Traoré. Hands off Africa. Justice for Ibrahim Traoré. We stand with Burkina Faso. For more information, please visit our Facebook page, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, Toronto, for more information about the march. So sign up for our Facebook page to get more information. Thank you.